In this module, we're going to talk about the online traffic. Traffic is the bloodline of all online business. If you don't have any idea what traffic is, don't worry, because it's very simple. Whenever someone visits your website, offer page, or your sales page, that's traffic. You may have the best of the best offers, but if you don't have the right targeted traffic, then you cannot make any money. But once you have the right offer with a high targeted traffic, then you can produce profit. To make money online, you need a targeted traffic, and that's why it's very important. Let me take you to my #1 secret untapped traffic source to help you start making affiliate commissions quickly. This exact traffic has helped me build my email list from 0 to 5,000 plus, in addition to daily cash commissions. Let's go to my email over here first, and you can see that commissions are pouring in while I'm recording the videos. On the other hand, here's my Auber account, which has 5,000 plus subscribers. And here are my daily commissions with different promotions. I'm just showing this so you can imagine how your pages should look in the future. And I want to deliver the most important information to you. I just want to emphasize, too, how important it is to drive targeted traffic to your offers. Moving on, my first secret traffic source, which I'm going to discuss with you, is known as solo ads. Solo advertisement is the method of sending an email about your offer, which you are promoting to another marketer's list. Right now, if you do not have a list or your list is still small, what you can do is contact marketers with huge lists. Tell them that you'll send an offer to their email list and pay some amount of money. Like I said, you send them to a squeeze page first. That moves towards the offer. This is how you leverage other people's list to get you leads and sales. To make it clear for you, I'll show you an example. For example, you have XYZ offer and you want to make more money. How do you do that? First is to create a squeeze page. Then contact people with an email list of, say, 70,000, 30,000, etc. One way of finding people in the solo ads business is through Facebook. Just search for solo ads groups and start there. Interact with people first and ask around. If you do this right, then you're now building your list for free. This is because you earn enough affiliate commissions to pay for the solo ads, or even more. I believe this thing is clear, and it is just the beginning. There are still some tricks which you should do once you are contacting solo ad vendors. There are questions that you should ask them so they would understand if you're a pro marketer or a newbie. All this good stuff is going to come to you in the next video module. In the last video, I've shown you how to select high-converting offers inside Warrior Plus. In this video, we'll dig deeper into the process of selecting high-converting offers inside Warrior Plus. Plus, I want to show you a simple way of getting approved by a product vendor even if you're a complete newbie. This is because product creators have the ability to check an affiliate's credentials, and thus they might just rely on your new stats when deciding whether to allow you to promote for them or not. So I'm teaching you how to overcome these particular dilemmas in this video as well. First, let's go back to warriorplus.com. Click on Affiliates and then Offers on this page. On this page, you'll see the latest affiliate offers inside Warrior Plus. On the right side of the page, you can see the number of sales that I've gotten to the products I've promoted. On the other hand, these notification signs that you see are for new offers that just launched. When you visit the page, you can see all these different details like product vendor, launch date, sales conversion rate, etc. Now we have to look at two important things. Number 1, take your cursor over here where you can see the red oval with dollar signs. These are the top 1% vendors. You can also see gold ovals with dollar signs. These are the top 5% vendors. This means these vendors are really making big sales and they should be on top of your list. Number 2, check how many sales they've got. If they have 500 plus sales, it is converting very well. Then look at their conversion rate over here. Anything which is above 12% is considered very well. Even 10% is fair enough. So you have to choose offers which are converting above 10 to 12%. Next, check their visitor value, and it must be more than $1. So again, you have to look at these parameters. Number 1, check the 1 to 5% vendors. Only promote these legit sellers who are promoting or launching good offers all the time. Then the sales should be at least 500 plus, and the conversion rate should be 12%. Let's say the sales are just a 50 plus or 100, but the conversion is 20%. Then that is still good. This just means that a new product which is just launched may be a few hours back. Anything above 12% conversion rate is good. The higher, the better. Another thing you should be checking is the visitor value, which should be $1 plus. You'll notice all the offers at the top of the list have fulfilled these criteria. So once you've checked the above, the next step is to click the Request button for these offers. Once you do that, it will take you to a particular page, and then you have to click on the Request Approval button. You can also click View Sales Page and have a look at their preview. If you are a complete newbie and don't have credentials, there's one thing you can do. Click the vendor's name and you can already see his profile. When you go to the bottom of the page, you can see connected accounts. Let's click on Facebook, and here is the complete ninja trick you can do as a newbie. When you are already on his Facebook account, message him saying that you're a new person in affiliate marketing, but you're building your list. You can also say, I have targeted traffic and aware of the importance of staying away from junk sources. So please allow me to promote your products. You can mention the name of your marketing mentor if it matters. Tell them you'll send them good traffic from the traffic sources which you can mention. You can also tell them you don't mind being set to delayed commission if you're okay with the terms. And if you want to go the extra mile, you could prepare your bonus page or review video in advance. This way you're not only reaching out to the vendor and building rapport, you're also showing you've done your homework. So most of the time, they approve newbies like you. But if you don't do this and the vendor just sees your newbie account with 0 sales, they will not accept you 99% of the time. So follow these steps and you'll be able to select the highest converting offers inside Warrior Plus. And you'll also be able to get approved, ready to go and promote. In the next video, I'll show you another marketplace, aka Secret Affiliate Cash Vault number 2, where you can make money on a daily basis and how to select offers inside that marketplace. In this module, I'm going to introduce you to the affiliate money-producing machine. It's like you're just taking a few minutes of your day to work on something and boom, you make money on demand. Without doing this particular step as an affiliate marketer, you are literally leaving money on the table. This is how people make hundreds of dollars every day or thousands every month on demand. So let me introduce you to the world of autoresponders. An autoresponder is a program which stores your leads or emails which you collect as an affiliate marketer. And through a simple technique, you can broadcast your emails to the same leads and make money. Now here are some of the underlying advantages of an autoresponder. This is where the things become really exciting and intense, so listen carefully. Number 1, it helps you to automate your business. You don't have to remember any leads. You don't have to collect anything manually, and everything is stored automatically. Imagine if you have a list of 5,000 or 10,000 people. You just send an email blast and it goes to all of them inside their inbox, just like that. Next, you can be in touch with your prospects. Imagine if you have 10,000 customers or email leads. How can you be in touch with them without an autoresponder? That would be too much work to contact them one by one if you do it manually. Third, you can create follow-up emails at will. This serves to increase the effectiveness of a previous email. You can just send another email and you can be in touch with them in a single click, whenever you can. Fourth, you can build a high amount of trust. This is because at the moment someone receives emails from you, you are already building a bond or connection with the person, and they will feel valuable as well. Remember, trust factor is something which is immensely important when you want to make money online. Another advantage is you can track your business and list. You can see how much people are opening your emails, clicking your links, converting to sales, etc. Obviously, if you combine all the points above, not using an autoresponder literally means leaving money on the table. Now, this is the important thing. Once you start building a list, you will need to spend a few minutes working on it so you can start monetizing it. You could be making anywhere between $1 to $5 per lead per month. Of course, it also depends on how you build your relationship with your list, what kind of value you provide, and what kinds of offers you promote. But the training which I'm teaching you is all proven and has been tested through time. This is how solopreneurs and big marketers alike have made money with affiliate promotions. So once you follow the training about selecting offers, the traffic, list, and audience building, you can be making anywhere between $1 to $5 per lead per month. If you have an autoresponder with 1,000 lists, you can make anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 per month, as simple as that. If someone asks what the most important asset of an affiliate marketer is, I'd say the answer is your list in an autoresponder. Inside the PDF of this course, I've given you the link to the autoresponder service I use. Personally, the 2 autoresponders I highly recommend are Auber and GetResponse. Just check their websites for current pricing and availability of trial accounts. So if you still don't have an autoresponder, get an account now. It will take you just about 5 minutes to fill up everything. Trial accounts are usually available for free, so you could check everything up. In the next video, I'll show you how to start creating a broadcast to promote your affiliate offers. Thank you so much. Welcome to another module. In the last videos, we've told you about one of my secret affiliate vaults, which is Warrior Plus. In this module, we'll talk about another affiliate marketing vault I use to make affiliate commissions. This one is called JVZoo. It's a very popular affiliate marketing website around the globe. The website is www.jvzoo.com, and I'm inside my own dashboard right now. Once you're inside JVZoo, you can register for a free account by inserting your PayPal and your required personal or business information. If you have any apprehensions regarding starting up your account, just go to the PDF guide once again. Now, the big question comes. How do you select the actual offers which are going to convert for you on JVZoo? First, you have to go to Marketplace and click on Top Sellers. Once you do that, JVZoo by default shows you all the top-selling offers for today, yesterday, the past 7 days, and the past 30 days. You can be sure these are the high-converting offers, and it's more likely they are going to work for you once you send in the right traffic. Another way is to go to Affiliates and you click on Find Products. Then JVZoo shows you all the top offers starting from the first day inside JVZoo. You can also sort them out by the launch date and you can see the offers in ascending order. You can see here all the offers. You are like inside the ocean of high-converting affiliate offers, which you can promote for free and sometimes even keep 100% commissions. How cool is that? In the next video, I'll show you the simple trick on how you get approved inside JVZoo by the product vendors. This is very important for newbies who might get rejected. See you there. In this video, I will share with you my secret affiliate, Cash Vault number 1. I want to show you how I select offers from my secret vault, which makes me money every time. First, if you don't have a high-converting offer, you can never make money with affiliate offers. So let's get started and I'll show you how the selection process is done. First, type in www.warriorplus.com in your browser. It's a simple website. If you haven't created your free account yet, please do so because this is where we are going to do our business. Once you're already inside Warrior Plus, you have to click on the Marketplace button. This is where you can see the offers which are launched on a daily basis. Now over here, let's click on Top Sellers. This is the place where Warrior Plus publishes their top sellers and the product they are offering. You can see their top sellers daily, yesterday, last 7 days, and 30 days ago. So you are sure that all the offers here are the highest converting products inside Warrior Plus. These offers are loved by customers. They are very high demand, and that's why these offers are seen on the page. Which also means that we can be sure before sending any kind of traffic that these particular offers are going to convert for us. I'll show you an example by clicking on the number 1 product today. Let's take a look at the offer, how the sales page looks like, and all the information about the product you can find. At this point, your task is to do background check on which products you and your possible subscribers are most interested in. In the next video, I'll be showing you one more technique of selecting high-converting offers inside Warrior Plus. And then I'll teach you a technique on how to get approved by the product creator as the affiliate in Warrior Plus.